Hey guys, today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Microsoft account login error saying please try again with another device. So first thing first, while you are trying to log into your Microsoft account, make sure that your credential matches. If it's still not working, here are some fixes that you can try. So first, you have to clear the cache. Let's say you are using Chrome browser. So clear the cache for your Chrome by selecting three dot icon, going for settings. Now in here, you have to select privacy and security. Select delete browsing data, and then go ahead, clear the cache. And next step, you can also try logging into your account via incognito mode. So simply open your incognito mode, type in Microsoft sign in, and then sign into your account. You can also use Microsoft Edge to sign into your Microsoft account if the Chrome is not working for you. Next step, come below at the software, type in network reset. You will see network reset under system settings. Launch it, select reset now, and then select yes. Now it might restart your device, it might not restart your device. Whatever the case is, you have to restart your device and then try again from either your Chrome or simply another web browser. Once done, this will definitely fix your problem.